Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. In today's tutorial, I will be teaching you guys how to create Korean dreamy effects. With that said, let's dive into the tutorial further. Now the first thing you need to do is to import your actual clip that you want to add that effect to. So on this simple clip here, I want to add the effect. I want to add my effect on this clip here. So the first thing I need to do is to duplicate this clip. Just press down Alt and drag the clip above to duplicate. So you can see us duplicating it here. Then the next thing is for you to do is to click on the clip above, the one you duplicated, and go to your effect panel. That's where you want to be adding effect to, and search for Gaussian blur. Yeah, so this Gaussian blur, drag and drop it inside your clip here. So go to where your effect is under effect control and tweak around with the setting of your effects. So just deselect and select it again so I can see your effects here. So you can see my Gaussian blur. What I want to do is to increase the blur a little bit. Yeah, let me just make it 9 is okay for me. Okay, and go to your normal, change your normal to screen, and change your opacity to 70. You can see that it's already looking dreamy. So what you need to do now is to go to your geometric color and you want to add in some colors. Increase this warmth a little bit and decrease our tint value a little bit, just to give it a little bit of color grading. And you can increase the exposure. Dreamy look often deals with exposure, increase in brightness. So you can increase the exposure, bring up the contrast as well, because you want our detail to come out, and just bring down the highlight a little bit. And the shadow, you can also bring down the shadow a little bit, and the white, I want the white to come down a little bit there. Yeah, as much as I want the white there, I also want the white not to be too much, and just leave the black the way it is. Go to creative and increase the fade a little bit. Yep, just a little bit, and increase the vibrancy. I want it to be somehow colorful, so I increase the vibrancy. And yeah, we are done with our dreamy effects. And what we need to do next is just probably to add some interesting sound to bring in those vibe of dreamy look. Okay, I'm going to put in this sound below to bring in that vibe that will reflect my dreamy feeling. Okay, cut it, Ctrl K to cut, and spread it across the clip. Now let's play, let's hear how it sounds. If you notice, I off, this is the way it was before, looking all dull. Now let's play it after and let's see the dreamy. And that is how you create your Korean dreamy effect. And now we have reached the ending of today's tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and if this tutorial is indeed helpful to you, do well to click the like button, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share it to your friends and family that also will be interested in this. And with that, I see you in my next tutorial.